We're about to go on our second run.
I love vlog.
Blueberries from the garden. I just love it so much.
Deflated at the moment.
The most relaxing thing. Welcome back to another weekly vlog. Oh! Cheers! I was giving him a whack. Blueberries from the garden. Oh, my camera's about to die. That's a bad time to start the vlog. Really good. This is so embarrassing that this came on. No, 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 no.
It's too much wine.
Gotta be sun safe even in winter. I'm gonna use you as my little mirror for my sunscreen. I really don't wear sunscreen that often and I probably should wear it more. Let's go to the beach. I'm just at work right now and Kayla, my beautiful little friend, made me this little keychain. Isn't it so pretty? I love it so much. Good morning, it is Monday. I had a nap yesterday, which I never have. My sleep schedule is a little bit off this morning. So I made myself a vanilla iced latte on lactose-free milk. And this is my breakfast this morning because for some reason I have no appetite. It's a weird morning. Anyway, good morning. Happy Monday. I'm watching the Olympics at the moment and tell me why I want the Olympics to be on all the time. Just seeing people achieve their dreams. Like I cry almost every single time I see an Aussie win a gold, because just like the light in their eyes, and it's just pure happiness, and the whole country is just like behind them and rooting for them. And it's so much better than watching regular news where it's like there were 3 stabbings in Sydney. Like, you know, I just, oh, I love it. I love the positivity in the mornings that the Olympics bring. I just love it so much. Yes, good morning. I like your bed head, Cosmo. So last week I was really into this song Roller Coaster by The Bleachers. Why do I say The Bleachers? By Bleachers. And I am obsessed with one of their other songs. It's called Let's Get Married. And it's just such a fun, happy song. And I absolutely love it. Wow, say hey, good morning. Oh my goodness. Good morning. Anyway, this song Let's Get Married by Bleachers is so good.
I'm a real tough kid, I can handle my shit.
Oil, onion, wine.
I've been real tough kid, I can handle my shit.
You know you're good.
In the beat and all the pretty girls, they have a couple drinks, all the pretty girls. Half of the rope and fell from your tower. Are your conversations cool, like are you even interesting? Tell me, is she prettier than she was on the internet? Far enough away from all the baggage you've been carrying. Seems once in a lifetime.
Sticking them to small town bars. Raised up in the college songs, singing all about broken hearts.
So I'm feeling and I'm dealing with the heart you broke while you do press ups and repress us. Just like me, I reckon. Oh shit, I wanna break up. Just reaching as high as a true love. Even my daddy just loves.
Chopped the celery, chopped the carrots, chopped the onion, chopped the beef. We're about to go on our second run. It's currently the 5th of August. I'm having some leftover cold sausage rolls as fuel. Last time was hard, so I'm expecting this time to also be hard, but I don't know, maybe I'll use an app. Rowan just mentioned that there are apps that can like help you, like guide you with running sort of thing. So maybe I can like link that to my watch, but my only issue is I don't want to have headphones in my ears because I feel scared. The issue with that is I feel really scared if I have like my senses blocked off, and if I'm running, and obviously Rowan's faster than me, so he'll be like at the end of the path and I'll be like on my own with like headphones in. I feel not too safe about that, but I don't know, maybe I'll get over that. But yeah, day 2, let's see how we go. Oh, we're about to go for our second run. Oh, I'm nervous. I'm not a proper runner. Like, who do I think I am running on this path with everyone else, you know? It's okay, I've just got to listen to some Taylor Swift to pump me up and we'll be fine. Run number 2 complete. I actually did better than the first run. Like, I think I ran
I don't know, 3.4 kilometers with 4 stops. Stops to drink along the bubbler. I am so sweaty, but I actually made it to the end of the path this time. But yeah, feeling a little bit better after that one, but I don't know, I still feel like I'm not a runner and I'm not really allowed to be here.
I'm really liking this song at the moment by James Johnston, Raised Like That. I can't do anything in my life without music, so I'm gonna shower with music. See you tomorrow. It's currently Tuesday, and on Sunday, Rowan built this planter, like completely for free. Like he got a, what's it called, a pallet, and took apart all of the stuff and basically built this really cool planter that I'm about to show you. But we're about to put our banana tree into this, and I'm going to show you because I just think it's the coolest thing that he can make things like this. And the fact that it literally only took him like half an afternoon while I was working is just absolutely crazy to me. Say hi to the vlog.
Hello vlog.
I just still can't believe he can make stuff like this. I just think it's so crazy. He's just such a talented man. Yeah. Got about 2.5 bags of potting mix and some coffee grinds. Look how much she's been ripped apart by the wind. They have to be stacked properly. You can't have that top one going across. Can we fix it? Can we fix it? The train's left the station. I've done over 10,000 steps today. Hello, happy Wednesday. I'm about to go get my first ever facial. My friend's just at the gate to pick me up and I'm going with a bunch of work girls. So yeah, I don't really know what to expect, but yeah, let's go. We're gonna go have drinks. So I'll probably chat to you tomorrow. Good morning, it's Thursday. I think I'm in the same spot as when I spoke to you last. But yesterday, the facial, it was the most relaxing thing I've ever felt, and I feel like my skin feels so smooth this morning, and I'm kind of sad that I know how that feels now because now I'm gonna want it all the time. But I just loved it so much, and I got to hang out with some work girls, which was nice, and had a few drinks afterwards, and then I just came home and yeah, Rowan was playing some video games and we went to bed. But today I think is gonna just be a full cleaning day because it's been raining a bit recently and I haven't really had a chance to clean much. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna film of it because it's not very interesting. It's just like washing, gardening, inside the house stuff, like light switches, door frames. Like that's gonna be my day today, a bit boring. Also, regarding the facial, I didn't realize that you had to take all of your clothes off for a facial. Like, it was relaxing to not have like clothes on, but yeah, I only thought you'd take all your clothes off for a massage. But yeah, you could obviously leave like a little bits on, but yeah, for the most part, I didn't think I would be getting undressed just for a facial. But when they did what's this bit called? Décolletage? Oh, it just felt incredible. Like, if you've never had a facial before, I highly, highly recommend going because, oh, it was just such a great experience. I'm just rambling now, so I'm gonna go. Are we able to all collectively agree how annoying it is when the weather app is not accurate? Like, I just did all of my, oh, boys are chasing each other. I just did all of my like boring chores stuff. One of them included doing the washing because it's been raining lately. Tell me why the weather app said like bright, sunny for the next like 3 days, no chance of rain. When I went to hang it out, it was all blue skies, maybe like 3 clouds, not even dark. So I'm like, yeah, fine. And then all of a sudden it's pouring down. Like, I've just lost a whole load of washing. Maybe we just need to get a dryer. First world problem, I know, but it's just so frustrating, you know? Hello, it's Friday. I am really bad at remembering to wear my glasses when I'm on my laptop, so I'm trying to get better at that. I've just had an everything shower, feeling good, feeling fresh. But I'm just a little bit deflated at the moment because, oh, my mum messaged me. She did 13,000 steps. That's pretty impressive. I am feeling a little bit deflated in the business world. I love researching into different industries that I could start businesses in because I just love the world of business. Like, I don't know what it is or where I got that from, but I really want to start up my own business. And I get through like weeks and weeks and weeks of a business plan for one specific business, and then I'll come to a dead end, or like the maths doesn't add up, or it just wouldn't work in this area. Like, something always comes up, and I've just figured out that this one that I've spent a hot minute on is not gonna work. And yeah, there was a really big business opportunity that came up a while ago that it looked really promising, and I was so excited about it. If you've been here for like 6-ish months, then you'll probably know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I was just so excited and I was so ready to share it with you, and then it just got postponed, and it's probably not very likely to happen now. And there was a whole house thing recently that fell through, and I'm just feeling really deflated in my like financial world, if that makes sense. I don't know if any of that does make sense, actually. I feel like nothing is working for me right now and I'm a little bit sad about it. But yeah, thank you for listening to my rant. I don't really have much else to update you on. Oh, we're going to Kalbarri tomorrow. We're going to do the loop walk hike, so I'll bring you along for that. I'm not sure if that will be in this vlog or in next week's vlog. Depends when I edit this how long it is. I'm just looking at this business plan in front of me and I really thought this one was going to work. Back to the drawing board, I guess. Anyway, we're gonna have a fun Friday night. We're probably gonna play Fall Guys, have a couple drinks, and yeah, I will see you next week for Kalbarri. How exciting!